Thanks, patrons, and a special shout out to my best friend, Benjamin R. Price. You can be here too. Link below. Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today we're doing a user review of DYAUS gaming keyboard RGB. So here's the baby here. Now, I wanted an RGB keyboard and I didn't want to break the bank. And this actually is very inexpensive. And I'll tell you my short experience with this. My old keyboard was made by Patron, membrane keyboard. This is a membrane keyboard as well. But my old keyboard was so sensitive, you just actually bump a letter, it'll enter it. So I was making mistakes like crazy. After trying this new keyboard now for 2-3 days, I love it. It types really well. You have some features here. You got FN. Pull that down, and you have Multimedia Keys at the top. Also, the FN will work for adjusting your RGB lighting. You can customize it. It's all in the manual. So I'll put a link to Amazon below where you can get it from. If you're looking for a new keyboard, RGB keyboard, check this one out. It's well worth the money. It's very inexpensive compared to Razer. But you're getting a very good quality keyboard, in my opinion, and I'm really happy with it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below.